Issa, Shahin here, your Dearborn Police Chief. We're going to go out and do some traffic enforcement, talk about traffic safety in the upcoming summer, make sure everybody has a nice, safe summer. You think this has got a good angle on the seat or no? Oh, yeah, it's not bad.
Yes, it worked.
All right. You know what, I'll let
you got your good angle?
Yeah, I'll let you do your thing.
Was it?
We are employing these devices all across the city. And we're very mindful that we make sure to get coverage in every corner of the city, that no part of the city isn't getting the attention that they need. So you'll see it in the south end, the west end, the north end. It's our job to provide the policing that the community is asking for, and traffic safety is overwhelmingly what they want. Whether it's the illuminated stop signs, the speed limit signs that now tell you how fast you're going and tell you to slow down. You have the first roundabout going in the city of Dearborn, which, believe it or not, has caused quite a bit of stir on social media, right? Everyone seems to have an opinion on the roundabout. What I will tell you is that that roundabout is a result of hiring a traffic engineering firm. So it's not the mayor or I just kind of sitting down and coming up with what we think makes sense. These are data-driven decisions, right? Where we've looked at best practices across the country, and we're using what we think will work here in Dearborn based upon what's worked in other communities.
What are we stopping for here?
There's some ducks in the road.
That's very conscientious
I don't
of
know.
you. That's very...
I don't know if they're going to cross or not. Can you get that or no? They're crossing.
Yeah, there we go. They're going to be okay.
All right, guys. Have a good day. And then the education component, right? What we're doing right here, informing and educating the public. We partnered with the police academy, and we took this state-of-the-art driving simulator that's used to teach new cops how to navigate driving a police car, and we brought it to all of our 3 big city public high schools, right? So these kids would sit in this $1 million simulator, provided at no cost to the residents here of Dearborn, and they would be introduced with, say, rain or a pedestrian, and how did they navigate that? Teach them defensive driving techniques. Dearborn, again, first of its in the state. I haven't seen other communities do this. We're taking our school resource officers, and we're going to be holding classes for soon-to-be drivers and newly minted drivers in the city of Dearborn, so we can talk about the dangers of reckless driving. We're going to discuss the defensive driving techniques. And then finally, what do you do when you get pulled over, right? That can be a scary time for any new driver. So I'm really excited about what's happening here on the traffic safety front. But the reality is, at the end of the day, we need to see if the data improves. And I'm encouraged so far year to date where we are. I hope to see some decreases as it comes to crashes and improved traffic safety here that I can report on at the end of the year.